Want to turn ideas into income? Say less. It's Free Money Wednesdays. Every week, we drop the hottest funding alerts, grants, scholarships, startup catch, and hidden gems. Tune in with the Free Money crew as we break down how to apply, win, and level up. From the blog to the tube, we've got you covered. Visit mycoachministry.com/blog or subscribe on YouTube at mycoachministry for the latest drops.
See the funding blog. All right, let's go there. All right. Welcome to Free Money Wednesdays. Welcome to the Funding Alert segment. This is episode 21, your weekly treasure map to funding that's actually still open. Let's dive into the top 5 grants you can apply for this month. No backward glances at expired deadlines. And these top 5 that I'm sharing with you are available right now on my website. You see that what you're seeing on the screen, that website you're seeing on the screen, that exact blog that you're seeing on the screen with August 2025 funding opportunities. These are the top 5 that you can apply for from that very vlog. So you can just go to my website, mycoachministry.com/vlog. Sorry, mycoachministry.com/blog, or just go to mycoachministry.com. It's on the homepage. All right. So I'm just going to share these top 5 with you. So first up, the Danos Gives Grant deadline, August 31. If you're running a nonprofit in Texas, this one is huge. Last year, a simple scope of service brought in $10,000 for vocational programs in the community. Next, the Huron County Fall Grants, due August 15, serving Huron County, Michigan, nonprofits and local groups. This is your chance for funding with care, minimal fuss, real impact. Now, go global with the Alibaba Co-Create Pitch 2025. Also closing August 15, entrepreneurs, this is $40,000. Access to global supply chains and the spotlight all in one pitch. And now, love creativity? Then the Awesome Foundation has your back. $1,000 micro grants awarded monthly, rolling, no deadline to stress over, just apply. And finally, if you're a new U.S. retail business, check out the Fair Small Business Grant. You have breathing room. Applications accepted through September 30. And the $5,000 inventory credit could be just the boost you need. All right. So this isn't just a promise of funds. It's your roadmap to action now, right now. Pause the delayed panic. Apply today, not yesterday. May the funds flow. And until next Wednesday or Thursday, may your hustle meet its match. Now, here's our funding tip for today. Our funding tip for today. Don't just describe your project. Show the impact in numbers and stories. One past awardee from a community development grant shared that their turning point came when they paired clear data. For example, we will train 50 young adults in 6 months with 80% job placement, with a short, vivid story of a single person their work had already helped. Grant reviewers said the combination of measurable results and emotional resonance made their application memorable and fundable. So you could frame it in, in essence, numbers prove you can deliver. Stories prove why it matters. Together, they make your grant application unforgettable. All right. Oh my God, this has been Free Money Wednesdays Funding Alert segment. Okay. Oh, thank you so much for staying with us. Oh, wow. We've come to the end of the program. We've come to the end of our program for today. This is the end of our episode 2020. episode 21 of Refresh, Relax, Renew podcast. It's been my honor. It's been my pleasure to be here. I know some of the topics that we talk about, it has a lot, there's a lot of emotions around it, you know what I mean? But I just want to say thank you. It is my hope that as you keep watching these episodes, that they will empower you. They will bring positive energy into your life and space. Okay, it's not my place to judge anyone. It's not my That's not what I'm seeking to do. But at the same time, I want to speak from my heart and soul about things that impact me, because we are real people going through real things, and all of us will fail at some point in time. And we will all need grace. I know. I used to say this to my nieces and nephews when they were really, really young, and I used to talk to them. I used to say, whatever it is I'm telling you not to do right now, I'm telling you because I'm going to need you to tell me later. 30 seconds from now, you're going to have to tell me too. I'm not saying it because you're so wrong. I'm saying it because humans sharpen humans. I want to help spotlighting what I'm thinking, that maybe you don't want to go down that corner, and then you can do the same thing with me. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May the rest of your week be fantastic. And no matter what you're going through, I pray that it doesn't steal your joy. I challenge you today, no matter what's going on, do not let life, or the circumstances around life, or the situations or the experiences of life, steal your joy and contentment. Be content in whatever you're going through. And you know what? I don't even know. I was going to say pray, seek your God, speak what you want, but those are my ways of doing things. I'm sure you have your ways as well that work. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm Coach Raquel, just saying thank you. Have a great day. Have a great week. All the best. Mwah. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me. So I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.